Welcome to our Team Bibo 2024 picnic. May pagani-ganito pa tayo. Yan, Labor Day picnic. Natuwa si Dex sa mga dog. So yan, magkakayak mga bata mamaya dito. Go ahead, guys.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
Ang daming mga ganyan, oh. Para magkayak tayo dito mamaya, oh. Dito lang tayo magpaikot-ikot. Yan ang favorite spot natin. Yan, pumesto na kami. Yan, so, pinesto lang ni Daddy yung kamak ng mga bata. Ito din. Waiting na kami sa iba naming mga kasama din. Tsaka, I think mag-set up din si Daddy namin ng paddleboard. Tagal lang kasi hindi na kami nag-paddleboard, eh, no? Ayan, so ganito yung pwesto namin. So maganda dito sa pwesto na to kasi pwede mo idaong yung boat mo dito, kayak or paddleboard. Dito lang naman yung area for paddleboarding and kayak. Paikot yan. Doon, ikot ng ganon. Malamig ba? Jayden, tinulungan mo si Tito? Ang tuwa si Dexa. May train ride. Ay, Dexa! Sige, Dexy. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Gutom na ako. Ito lang dala kasi namin pansit. Go! Yung dala namin pansit ito. Ay! Bigla malipad. Careful! Nandun may wipes akong dala. Wala, hindi ka na makakagatin yan. Magkayak na tayo mamaya. Go! So dito yung banda yung malapit sa pool. Pero I think hindi na operating ang pool. Parang naka-stop na kasi malamig na kasi. Hige. Pinagtulungan ng dalawang magkapatid. Ayan na. Ang sisig ni Tata Cholen. Si Dexy nanguna. Craving satisfied. And kumain na ng mga bata. Gutom na.
We're like that seat. So we just walk down this path and then you turn.
Dito yan. Dito kasi tayo magkakayag at saka magpapadel. Ito. So, tatawid nga kayo dito sa tulay. Yeah.
So, turn over
Yeah.
there.
So, yan. Yan. Sure. Yan yung spot natin.
Boat!
Ito yung boat rental. Yan, pwede kayo dito mag-rent. I think $30, 30 minutes. No? Pero may sarili naman tayong boat. So, hindi naman kailangan mag-rental. So, dito namin pinili yung pwesto bandang doon kasi nga malapit to sa lake, which is makakapag-kayak at saka paddleboard yung mga bata. Dito, Dexy, dito ka nag-skating.
Yeah.
Pagka frozen. Kami ng train ticket. Wow! Kali! Ang busy mga bata. Wow! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Woo! Nag-enjoy na si Kali. Okay, there! Ayan, okay na kayo dyan? Ayan, sakto pang may train. Enjoy ni Dexa.
Then just like there's a hole at the bottom and it's
Hole at the bottom? Yeah.
Pogi.
Pogi ah!
Sister, tingnan.
Ng pesto namin. Careful anak ka, huwag ka masyadong magalaw, Dexa. One splash. Hold mommy's hand lang. Okay. True. Ooh, we're in the bridge. Yan, nag-relax din si ate. Si ate kasi ang driver namin ngayon. Okay.
$2 hours.
Kasi ang ano dito, ang rental is $30 per 30 minutes daw.
Oh,
Yeah.
$60. 30 minutes, $60. Because you pay for labor.
Labor. Dito nga rin tayo, hindi tayo dumadaan dito.
Ew, the water.
Meron dyan o wala?
Yeah,
Ah, okay. Careful, Dexa. Enjoy ride. Hi.
Hello!
Wow.
Have a great day!
They have small paddles. Hi. Rowed about, chanting down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. The boat is sinking. What? Group yourself into three. Tatlong nga tayo. Yan, kainan na sila dun. Oh. Lexi, do you like this puto? Come here.
Masarap siya.
Harap niyan, turon. Hi. Ayan pa, oh. $5 daw, $5.
Wow, Chester, what?
Wow, that's nice.
All right, let's go for a train ride.
Yay, thank you. Chester, if you see somebody, wave, okay? Almost done, guys! Ayan, so malapit na kami matapos. Enjoy naman ng mga bata. Ay, parang biglang dumilim.
I swear I saw a yellow train over there.
Yeah. Oh, no. Okay, wave your hand. There's a lot of people. Wave! Here, wave!
Wait, that's where we crossed the bridge.
Yeah.
That's where we crossed the bridge.
Yes, that's the bridge.
How many been 100? 100 minutes is 1 hour and 50 seconds. Yeah, I mean 50 seconds. Yeah.
Oh.
What is that?
Oh no, that's not good.
Is that a dead scroll?
Yes. Oh no. It's eaten by flies. We're almost done, Chester. Almost done. Did you enjoy? Yeah, very good. I'm happy. Ma? Ah, don't sleep. Nexa. Finally, we're done. Wow, we're done, guys.
I love rides when they have no seat.
Okay.
I went to a school bus on my way on.
There's no seat belt.
In grade 2.
Yay, we're done, guys.
In grade 3 tomorrow,
Oh.
I'm going
I
going
see.
to take a bus all the time.
Oh, okay. Clap your hands, clap. Ooh, clap your hands. Yan, natapos din ang train ride. Careful, guys. Okay, go to your mom and dad now. Wow.
Bye! We leave you. We're going home now. Stay here. Have fun. Bye-bye. Dexa, say bye-bye to Mommy. Bye-bye, Mommy.
Halika na.